this video tutorial, we will see how to print right angle number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here, the pattern is aligned in the right side. The numbers are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And along with every number, a space character is appended. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable with 0. We are going to use while loop here. While I less than 5, 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So print the result here. Print the first line there are 5, then 4, then 3, 2 and 1, and those numbers are appended with a single space character. Here 5 minus I is a type of int. Truncate it with string to avoid type error. In the first line there are 5 5s, then 4 4s, then 3 3s, and 2 2s and 1 1. So the decrement we can achieve by subtracting I from 5. Save the file and run the code in the terminal. Run py triangle.py file. We can see here, this is our required triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number right angle triangle pattern.